Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here. Welcome back to my channel for today, and I thank you for stopping in. If you've not subscribed yet, go ahead and do so now. Click on the button below. That way you won't miss out on any of the good goodies that I have put out here on a regular basis. And if you get something out of this video today, be sure and like it and comment even. I would appreciate that. Okay. So this is a real short video as part of the 10-day YouTube video challenge that I'm participating in for 10 days. I think this is day 3 now. And the challenge was to talk about a book that changed my life. And I mean, there's a lot of books that I think have influenced my life for the good. But I have to say, the one book that has influenced my life as a whole, I'm talking about my whole life, that I started really looking into and reading to when I was a young tot, was the Bible. Is the Bible, and how I live my life is based on what I have learned and continue to learn through the Bible. I mean, there's lots of good books out there, my friends, no question about it. But I don't think there's any other book that can influence and make a change in your life. Because it definitely made a change in my life when I when I truly began to not just read it, but I began to understand it, and most importantly, I began to live it. And I learned a lot at a young age, and then it took more root as I got a little bit older, and then I was able to live it out in a stronger way, you know. And I think the big, there's so many messages in the Bible, but I think the biggest thing that I got, that I continue to get, is to love others as you love yourself. Love others as you love yourself. Think how much better our whole world would be if they took that one phrase from the Bible and lived it. Whether you're Christian or Muslim or Jewish or Buddhist or atheist, just think about that. Love others as you love yourself. And most of us really love ourselves a lot. So if we love others, we would help our neighbors out. We would do things for others that we would not do if we didn't think that phrase in our mind. So yes, I mean, I could have picked a Zig Ziglar book. I could have picked, um, you know, Paul Harvey, whoever. But I have to say that the book that has really made a change in my life, continues to make a change in my life, is the Bible. So thank you for listening today for my video for the 10-day challenge, and I hope you have a blessed and foxtastic day. Y'all take care, my friends.